Planet Bollywood.
एली अवराम अपने बर्थडे पर अपने आप को ही एक अनोखा गिफ्ट दे रही हैं। Nothing materialistic but something that will stay with her forever. एली अपने ही बर्थडे पर अपने आप को एक वर्कआउट सेशन गिफ्ट कर रही हैं।
I think, I'm gonna have extra session on my birthday because I will be dancing a lot on my birthday party. So yeah, that's gonna be like an extra session. So yeah.
वैसे तो पिलाटीज उनका फर्स्ट लव बन गया है, but she swears by this workout.
Actually, for many years, I have always been, interested in Pilates. Like, I have always been thinking कि Pilates क्या है, मतलब कैसे करते हैं and all. And then, I started first with yoga and I loved it. And then, मतलब योगा के बाद मैंने सोचा कि मुझे कुछ सिमिलर करना है लेकिन जो थोड़ा सा और टफर है, it's more working on your muscles and everything. So then finally I heard about the Pilates studio और मैंने सोचा कि चलो अभी मुझे ट्राई करना है क्योंकि मेरा मूवी भी शुरू हुआ उस टाइम पर किस को प्यार करूं, that is done now. So I felt कि इस पिक्चर के लिए I really want to make that awesome body and like just look nice, lean on screen and all. So मैंने सोचा कि चलो मैं पिलाटेस ट्राई करूँगी. And I did it and जैसे मैंने कहा like after the first time I just fell completely in love with it and after like 3 months already I had completely changed my body. Like मुझे पता है कि it really gave me that more leaner look. I was looking fit but in a leaner and nice way, not in that very bulky way. I'm not saying कि bulky is not that you're looking nice, but screen के लिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये better है. Yeah, you're getting that tone look without looking कि मतलब मैं fit हूँ, So role तो ऐसा नहीं है, so it has to suit your character and everything. So I'm totally happy that I took this decision to come here, and yeah, I mean I have only continued with it because you have to. I mean ऐसा थोड़ी से कि suddenly you will just stop with it because then you will go back to the previous body. Okay, so now I will move to the altitude training room where I do more of running and sometimes मैं kicks भी करती हूँ that I really love, but I don't do it so much, just sometimes like twice a month I do it. And basically I work out in the altitude room जब कुछ शायद for example कुछ shooting होगा where I really want to just tone down a lot, so then I tend to work out there because the oxygen level is more lower. It's like imagine कि आप लेह लद्दाख में वर्कआउट करेंगे, so you can imagine वो oxygen level एकदम मतलब नीचे है, so you burn much more. So इसलिए हर रोज़ वहाँ पे मैं नहीं मतलब वर्कआउट करती हूँ, so just sometimes. So have a look.